Bergen welcomed 11,527 students on the first day of classes. With so many new faces on campus, returning student leaders like Wilson Burke echoed the college's call to foster belongingness at Bergen by hosting Club Day. He said feeling connected comes from getting involved.
When I was a new student here, I didn't even come to Club Day. Felt a little bit lost. I found my way there eventually, but I just want to make sure that people who are interested in what they are interested in have the opportunity to get into it. As the semester progresses, people sometimes disperse. They might not be on campus as much, but if they can get involved in clubs, then there's so much more connection here. We can really build a community.
The new academic year brought 2 new members of the Board of Trustees, with Anna Marti and Marissa Person recently taking the oath of office. Marti, a retired school principal, also serves as a member of the Bergen County Special Services Board of Education and directs field-based education at Caldwell University. Person, the student-elected alumni representative, graduated as part of Bergen's class of 2023 and has since transferred to Montclair State University to pursue a bachelor's degree in public health. President Eric M. Friedman's ongoing efforts to build an inclusive Bergen community landed him a spot as a panelist at the statewide Hispanic Chamber of Commerce's Diversity Expo, where he discussed the specific efforts the college must take to support Hispanic students.
At a community college, if we don't purposefully and intentionally create services, activities, and opportunities for Hispanic students, they will not graduate at the same rate as other students. So we do numerous things to make sure that Hispanic student success is at the same levels as any other group in our demographics.
The chamber maintains its headquarters at Bergen Community College at the Meadowlands. The nation's top tutor studies at Bergen. Ricardo Santana has earned the College Reading and Learning Association's 2023 Rick Sheets Outstanding Tutor Award, making him the top tutor from more than 1,200 accredited tutoring programs across the country. He represents the first Bergen student to earn the award. Santana tutors students in the Cerullo Learning Assistance Center while also leading numerous community service initiatives in his hometown. The Bergen Community College Foundation celebrated students earning scholarships from the nonprofit at a luncheon last month, with Board of Directors member Phil Ciarco serving as the event's MC. Ciarco lauded the foundation's work, which has awarded $1.6 million to 1,840 students over the past 3 years.
I just love giving away money, especially to these students who have worked so hard and are in such great need of the awards that they're going to get today. It's their path to successful careers in their chosen fields and an opportunity, in most cases, since they're the first one in their family to go to college, to set the example for those who follow.
22 years after the September 11th attack on America, Bergen welcomed NYPD Joint Terrorism Task Force member Terrence McGee to keynote the college's memorial event. McGee, who became paralyzed on assignment as part of his work with the Terrorism Task Force, reminded attendees to remember.
We bonded together, we united, and we fought against Al-Qaeda and their activities. So September 11th to me is a day that should never be forgotten.
Gallery Bergen has partnered with a Munich, Germany gallery for a multinational collaborative exhibition of Iranian artists in The Cup Flows Over, Art from the Soul of Iran. The exhibition features work of Iranian artists living in the U.S. and anonymous artists living in Iran. Gallery director Tim Blunk conceived the exhibition after collaborating with his contemporaries in Germany, where more than 304,000 individuals of Iranian descent live. The exhibition will remain on view in Gallery Bergen through November 24th. Time's up for now. We'll see you next month on Studio Bergen Remix.